Hi guys, in today's video I will be sharing my shower routine, and in this video I will be sharing some nice products that I use regularly and some I use weekly or like twice in a month, like for my extensive shower routine. And yes, I will be sharing some great tips regarding hair care, body care, and of course body shaving and face shaving. So if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So if you want to watch lots of hauls and if you want to get some tips on skincare, hair care and some makeup, then you can subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of videos related to all these things. So coming on to the topic, that in today's video I will be sharing my shower routine. Guys, this is an extensive shower routine. I don't do all these steps on a regular basis. Like I will tell like which things I use on a regular basis, and most of these things I use like once a week or twice in a month depending on the requirement or how busy I am. So let's begin. So as we begin with the video, like I will start sharing my current shower routine, and I will also share some tips regarding how to wash your hair properly, because I think it is so important. Although I'm thinking about making a separate video, but I will try to cover some points in this video as well. So coming on to the like topic, my first thing is like once I'm preparing to shower, like my first step is to comb my hair, because I cannot emphasize enough, and this has changed like my hair game a lot. My hair fall has gone down a lot because I comb my hair previously. Because what happens once you drench your hair in water and you start massaging your head with shampoo and all, like it's already tangled and it gets more tangled. Once our hair are very like they are wet, they are very weak, and then the chances of breakage of hair becomes very high. So my like top priority is like once I am preparing for head shower and like I want to wash my hair, then first step is I comb my hair. So let me show you the comb I use very quickly. This is the comb I use. Like I will suggest you guys to use combs like this, because like there is a lot of space in between the teeth, and like it will reduce the hair fall and everything. So I will add everything, all the like products and all the links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. So my next step is to drench my hair completely in water, because you like even if you are applying shampoo, conditioner, hair mask or anything, your hair should be fully drenched in water, because you should not apply all these things to dry hair. So what I will do, I will drench my hair completely in water, then I will apply the hair mask, because I know after that I will be scrubbing my body and I will be scrubbing my face, and also that will take some time. So in that time, like my hair will be immersed like completely in the hair mask, and it will work on that, because you have to leave this hair mask for 15-20 minutes only. I leave it for 10 minutes generally. So hair mask which I use is this one. So this is Health Fruit Hair Mask Agate. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the company's name right or not. So it's a ginger onion hair mask. So like I read that ginger onion, so we all know that it's very important for our hair care, but like ginger onion, so I started using this mask like around 2 months back. So yes, like I wanted to give this like brand a shout out, because I am using this brand's. It's not a sponsored video, by the way. They don't know who I am, and even I am like praising their product. So ingredients of this like mask is onion oil, ginger extract, curry leaves extract, like all the natural ingredients. Like I won't give that much time, like 10-15 minutes work wonderfully for me. And then how you should apply mask, you should take the paste in between your palms and then start applying from the middle of your hair. You should not apply the hair mask at on your scalp. So I have created some videos regarding hair care that is totally dedicated to your like hair care and like how to take care of your hair properly and all. So you guys can check out those videos. So the meantime, like I have applied my hair mask, then what I will do, I will take a t-shirt and wrap my hair in that. You can leave it loose as well. So what I will do, I will wash my face using face wash. For face wash, I'm using Himalayas face wash. I think every Indian girl will be owning this face wash, and इसके बारे में मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And like I use the scrub after washing my face. I use the scrub, and so for the scrub I use orange scrub, like it removes the tan and all. So like I have used the other scrubs of this like Himalayas. I don't think so I have to say anything about it. Like you guys can trust it blindly, like it works wonderfully. So I am using the remove like orange wala scrub right now. And I recently started like scrubbing my lips. मतलब पहले तो मैं DIY ही यूज़ करती थी, ऑलिव ऑयल और शुगर को मिक्स करके आई यूज टू स्क्रब माई लिप्स. बट रिसेंटली अराउंड 3-4 महीने पहले आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस लिप स्क्रब. आई हैव मेड अ वीडियो रिगार्डिंग दिस. सो yeah, I started using it around 3-4 months back. So like I heard so much about this scrub and there were lots of good reviews on Amazon, so I thought like I will try this one. After that, after scrubbing my face and all, so I will apply the pack. Like I am using Himalayas pack again. Like these are my ride or die products, Himalayas one, because I have been using these products for years now. Like Himalayas product for years. I can't even remember कि मुझे कितने साल हो गए हैं ये products को use करते हुए. So I can blindly trust this and Biotique. Like these two like things, these two brands like they make amazing like products. So yeah, बट हिमालयाज तो मेरा लाइक ऑल टाइम फेवरेट है और मैं पता नहीं कितने सालों से इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो आई विल एवर स्टॉप. लाइक इवन आई विल ट्राई अदर थिंग, बट आई समहाउ कम बैक टू लाइक हिमालयाज, like somehow. So after that I will like wash my body using this body gel. It's a lavender body gel. This smells like very mild and light fragrance is there, but yeah, this works wonderfully. थोड़ा सा जेल है तो like थोड़ा स्टिकी हो जाता है, उतरने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है. बट अगेन दिस इज लाइक रियली नाइस. आई लव द स्मेल. लाइक बहुत माइल्ड है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट you guys know that I love strong fragrances as well. But yeah, this body wash is nice. You guys can check it out. So मुझे इसको यूज़ करते हुए भी कुछ टाइम हो गया है, although I was using Lux one previously. But yeah, right now I'm using this. So after that I will scrub my body using this McAfee's body scrub. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है, so you guys can check it out. And like this is such a beautiful product, guys. Like generally what happens after using body scrubs, your body feels little harsh, but that doesn't happen with this scrub. Like इसके अंदर like the main ingredient of this is coffee that removes the tan and exfoliates your skin so beautifully. And again it contains coconut oil. Coconut oil की वजह से like this like leaves your skin so beautiful, so supple that I cannot even begin to describe in words. Like मतलब like I have tried some other body scrubs as well, but somehow like this is my favorite one. This is such like amazing product. I know मैं जितने भी products को बोल रही हूँ, like the products I am like mentioning in my like current shower routine, so I am saying awesome for everything because like these products are really awesome. Like again I will say it's not a sponsored video, no brand has paid me to say anything. So like it's my personal experience. I am sharing all these things because I really like these products and they work wonderfully. And all of these products are extremely budget friendly. That is the best thing about these products. And mostly जितने भी मैं आपके साथ product share कर रही हूँ, they are of natural ingredients. मतलब जितने भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इसके अंदर सब नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट से ही बने हुए हैं. लाइक इसके अंदर भी कोकोनट ऑयल है दैट You guys understand, right? कोकोनट ऑयल के लिए तो कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. I will wash off everything, hair mask, my pack and like scrub, everything is there. So I will wash off everything. For that I will quickly wash my hair. So let me quickly show you the like 3 shampoos I am currently using. So my like main shampoo is the same brand which I am using of the like for hair mask. It's the same brand. So this is again ultra conditioning shampoo. So like after using this shampoo I don't have to condition my hair. And it's again ginger onion baobab. Like it's no sulfate, no parabens. Like generally go for shampoos that are sulfate and paraben free. And what happens, like these shampoos don't contain harsh chemicals. So आप जब use करोगे तो it won't lather that much. So don't use much, use little bit only, but it will not lather that much because इसके अंदर उतने harmful chemicals नहीं होते हैं. Let me quickly show you 2 other shampoos that I am using. Again this one is Wishcare's onion ginger shampoo, again of the same like line, ginger onion, because I am so into using ginger onion products for my hair right now, because like this is working for me. Trust me guys, this is working. So you guys can definitely check it out. So this is for Wishcare. And again another like go to shampoo for me is this Clinic Plus. सो जब मुझे लगता है थोड़ा डैंड्रफ हो रहा है या कुछ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो आई यूज़ दिस शैम्पू. बट अगेन ये थोड़ा मैं कम यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि इसके अंदर थोड़े से हार्श केमिकल्स हैं. तो आई ट्राई टू यूज़ अ लिटिल बिट लेस बिकॉज थोड़ा सा मतलब मेरे बाल ड्राई हो जाते हैं. अदरवाइज it's good only for dandruff and all, like it works wonderful for my hair. After quickly rinsing of the shampoo, then I will shave my face. So before shaving I apply aloe vera on my face because I don't like to shave my face like dry face because thoda peach fuzz hota hai and I like it might cut and burn, so I don't like that. I prefer to use aloe gel. So I am using this aloe vera. Like I don't think so this is available online because like when I went to Kerala from Spice Garden, Spice Country, sorry, from Spice Country, I got this. I got some other things as well from there. So I'm using this aloe vera from them. But for shaving my face I use this. ये है, ऐसे करके ये खुल जाता है. दिस इज़ वेरी शार्प गाइज, यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. अगेन इसके ऊपर मैंने एक बहुत इन डिटेल वीडियो बनाया है, तो आई विल लिंक एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ये मैंने अभी नया खोला है, लाइक इट्स अ पैक ऑफ 3. दिस इज़ माई 3rd वन, सो आई विल ऑर्डर अनदर वन. सो आपको शायद मेरे अमेजोन हॉल्स में भी दिख जाए एक पैकेट. So yeah, like this is like I will shave my face, then quickly I will like wash my face, and then after shaving again I will apply aloe vera because like it soothes and calms my skin like anything. Then coming on to my body, so for so I don't like to like shave dry skin, so I use this shampoo. Like अगर आप कंडीशनर या शैम्पू लगाने के बाद फिर आप बॉडी शेव करोगे तो दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. एंड लाइक योर स्किन विल बी वेरी स्मूथ एंड वेरी लाइक बहुत सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा आपका स्किन. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट यू गाइज इफ यू आर ट्राइंग लाइक बॉडी शेविंग एंड एवरीथिंग, देन यूज एनी गुड कंडीशनर और ऑयल और एनीथिंग like that, then do shave. And for me again the shampoo I told you that Ajit's one, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this shampoo I use, and for the shave I use this razor. It's a Let's Shave razor. This is a wonderful razor guys, again wonderful. I need to find some other word. So this is really nice. It shaves and like it doesn't burn or cut or anything. Like this is what it's like. this इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे पूरा कुशन है. So you guys can use normal like shaving, क्या कहते हैं इसको, shave thing also, like I will add for Let's Shave as well in the description box, so you guys can check it out. Then I apply lots of oil because like after shaving I want my body to be fully drenched in oil, so that it will be very smooth and very, giving a very shine and, supple skin, like it's glowing. So I want that effect. So after like shaving I generally go with oils and everything. So like some of these things, like only few things I use regularly: my face wash, my lip scrub, like I scrub twice or thrice in a week because थोड़े मेरे lips dark हो गए हैं. And then I use body wash and like hair shampoo, like twice or thrice in a week. So these are the things. I know ये बहुत extensive लग रहा है, बहुत like so many products I am telling you, but I am not doing all these things on a daily basis. As I said, I do it once in a week or sometimes like twice in a month, because whenever I have to shoot some video and I have to put makeup and everything, so I like to pamper myself. And आई नो मैंने कोशिश करी थी ये वीडियो थोड़ा छोटा बने, बट लाइक देयर वर सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई wanted to convey my thoughts about each and every product, so it's kind of a mini review भी है इसके अंदर. So I think इसकी वजह से ये थोड़ा लंबा हो गया है. Shower routine is finished, but I think I do one or two things more. Like once I have wrapped my hair in a soft towel or in a t-shirt or something, then I like follow two more steps, so I wanted to include that very quickly. So once is like I apply toner. Like toning your face is very important, so again I'm using Green Berries toner. So I will like spritz it on my face and let it calm and like get absorbed into my skin. After that I will apply this serum on my face. It's a Rose Shift serum. इसका भी review मैंने डाला हुआ है अपने channel पे. So like I have extremely dry skin, so serums are very important for me, because मैं थोड़ा सा लगाती हूँ तो इट गिव मी अ ग्लो एंड थोड़ा सा मेरा स्किन हाइड्रेटेड फील होना शुरू हो जाता है, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेरी माई स्किन इज सो ड्राई गाइस. यू कांट इवन इमेजिन कि कितना ड्राई है. थोड़ा सा आजकल मैं स्किन केयर कर रही हूँ तो माई स्किन इज़ इम्प्रूविंग अ बेट, तो इतना ड्राई नहीं है. बट येस, लाइक दिस इज़ द सेरम आई स्वेयर बाय. लाइक मुझे ये रिलीजियसली आई यूज़ इट ट्वाइस इन अ डे. लाइक सुबह भी यूज़ करती हूँ एंड आई यूज़ इट इन द नाइट टाइम एज वेल. सो अगेन बहुत लोगों ने बोला है मुझे स्किन केयर वीडियो भी बनाने के लिए, स्किन केयर रूटीन शेयर करने के लिए. सो आई विल डू दैट. इट्स इन द प्रोसेस. आई एम मेकिंग दैट वन. सो डोंट थिंक कि आप लोगों का रिक्वेस्ट इग्नोर चला गया है. येस, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट एज वेल. सो लाइक आफ्टर दैट अप्लाई सिरम और उसके 10-15 मिनट्स बाद आई अप्लाई माई मॉइस्चराइजर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू मेक वन मोर वीडियो ऑन लाइक different types of moisturizer for different skin types: oily, normal, dry, extremely dry. Like if you want to hydrate your skin, like in budget, expensive, everything will be covered in one video, so stay tuned for that as well. This is it. आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि आई हैव स्पोकन सो मच एंड ये वीडियो ऑलरेडी इतना लंबा हो गया है, तो इतना टाइम लगता है एक बार शावर करने में. इतना नहीं लगता है बिकॉज आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग एंड टेलिंग एवरीथिंग, और वो आई डोंट नो व्हाई इतना सारा लग रहा है कि पता नहीं क्या क्या करती है ये. So it doesn't take that much time, but I feel it's very important to pamper yourself, like give time to yourself, your body, your hair, your skin. It's so important, guys. And guys, we hit 6K on Instagram. Like I was so happy after watching like my Insta fam, and it is not possible. It was not possible without you guys. Like the love you give me, the comments and everything. Like I was very irregular from past like 2 weeks or 2-3 weeks, because I was quite busy, very hectic like schedule was there. So I was like missing from Instagram for some time, and I was thinking like कोई नोटिस भी करेगा या नहीं. एंड आई पोस्टेड आफ्टर 6 or 7 days and you guys like said and commented like after such a long time and all. So I was like, yes, someone is missing me. You guys are noticing that I am not there. But yeah, thank you so much guys. Like it means a lot to me. I cannot begin to put this in words again. Like thank you so much. I will shut up now already. ये वीडियो इतना लंबा हो गया, but it was much needed. मैं ये मेंशन किए बिना ही अपनी वीडियो मेरा नहीं कंप्लीट होता है. और लाइक दिस इज सो मच. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू so much guys. I love you all so much. Yeah, you guys take time out of your busy schedules to watch me, to like and comment. This means so much to me that I cannot begin to express in words like what I feel and how happy this makes me. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye, take care.